In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin in Germany. This tutorial will be really adapted so that it works with all payment cards in Germany or bank accounts in Germany. You'll see, it's really perfect. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. Here we go. I have tested dozens of applications to buy cryptocurrencies and especially Bitcoin, and frankly the best of all is Swissborg. It is a mobile application that you can download on your cell phone, an application with which you will be able to buy all the most popular cryptocurrencies. It's a very simple application to use, really very intuitive, which will allow you to have the best prices for cryptocurrencies in Europe and which also has a very high level of security. So for me, it's really the best cryptocurrency application. I can only recommend it to you 100%. You can go for it with your eyes closed. This is also the application that I use to make all my cryptocurrency investments. You will find the link to download the Swissborg app directly below this YouTube video, either in the description or in the first pinned comment. You just have to click on the link. You will be automatically redirected to download the application on your mobile phone. In addition, by going through this link, you will be able to unlock a Youthery scratch card in the Swissborg application, which will allow you to win up to $100 in cryptocurrency. So once the app is downloaded, all you have to do is click on Open like this. Registration takes just a few minutes. It's really very quick. Once you have validated your account and registered, then you will land on the Swissborg homepage like this. So the first step will be to fund your Swissborg account to be able to deposit money to buy our cryptocurrencies and in particular our Bitcoins. So we click on the plus at the top right like this. You can choose to make a bank deposit which is free but takes 1 to 3 business days. Or directly and instantly credit your Swissborg account using a credit or debit card or via Apple Pay or Google Pay. So you simply have to click on Apple Pay, for example, indicate the amount of euros that you wish to pay into Swissborg and then validate the transaction. Once that's done, your euros will be credited to your Swissborg account instantly and then we'll go buy our Bitcoins. Just click on the invest option at the bottom right, like this, then click on buy cryptos. We will then have all the cryptocurrencies that are on Swissborg. We will click on Bitcoin, then we click on the buy button in green at the bottom, like this. We indicate the currency with which we want to buy our Bitcoins, so we will choose euros. We indicate the amount that we wish to use to buy Bitcoins. We click on next. Then we have the summary of the transaction in a very transparent way with all the fees, namely that Swissborg is one of the platforms that offers the best crypto fees in Europe, and they also guarantee the best exchange rate to obtain your cryptos, so like that you will have the most cryptocurrencies with each transaction. This is really one of the strong points of the Swissborg application. Once it's okay, you click confirm like this. The transaction takes just a few seconds. It's really very simple and fast. So there we just bought our Bitcoins. Then you have the summary of how many Bitcoins you have in your account. And then you can even set up auto invests of Bitcoin or other crypto in your Swissborg application, quite simply. You just have to click on new auto invest like this to indicate if you want to invest, for example, every month a certain amount of, for example, euros to buy Bitcoins. It's really very simple. And like that, automatically it will invest in Bitcoin or cryptos for you. And then to do the reverse operation, for example, to sell your Bitcoins, you simply have to go to your portfolio, then look for the Bitcoin option like this, click on exchange at the bottom in green, then indicate, for example, the currency with which you want to exchange your Bitcoins. So we will choose euros, indicate the amount of Bitcoin that you want to exchange in euros, confirm the transaction. It is done again in a few seconds. It is really very simple. And then you can withdraw these euros to your bank account by clicking on the withdraw option at the bottom right. You indicate your bank account, you indicate the country in which your bank account is located. And then you will just have to complete your bank account information and withdraw your euros. It usually takes, again, 1 to 3 days on the arm, but more usually 1 day on the arm, so it's really, really quick. So there you have it. You know how to buy or sell cryptocurrencies easily with Swissborg. It was Gomi, ciao.